Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Lindo Pro Dual Camera Video Doorbell, priced at $199.99. It's an oversized doorbell with two cameras, capturing a wide view of anyone approaching your doorstep in sharp 2K resolution. Let's see if it's worth your investment. The Lindo Pro is a large doorbell, measuring 5.5 by 2.0 by 1.5 inches, but it's still smaller than some competitors. The white exterior finish is waterproof and dustproof, so it can handle tough conditions. The doorbell boasts two cameras, a front-facing one with a 160-degree field of view capturing 2K video, and a bottom camera monitoring your doorstep in 720p. Combined, they provide a 190-degree vertical range for complete coverage. Now, one downside is the battery life, lasting up to 6 weeks. Compared to the Eufy Video Doorbell Dual with a 6-month battery life, it falls short. On the positive side, it's easy to recharge the device indoors using the included USB-C cable. The companion app is user-friendly and installation is a breeze. The doorbell can record 15-second clips when someone presses it or detects motion or packages. However, you only get 3 days of history on the device's internal storage. For more, you'll need the Lindo Plus plan at $2.99 per month. Unfortunately, the doorbell doesn't support Alexa or Google Assistant as of now, but Lindo plans to add those features in the future. Also, it's not compatible with Apple HomeKit or IFTTT at this time. Some text goes here, so should you go for the Lindo Pro Dual Camera Video Doorbell? Well, if you want a dual camera model and value easy setup, it's a good choice. But for more advanced features, longer battery life, and voice control, we recommend the Eufy Video Doorbell Dual, even though it's slightly more expensive at $259.99. That wraps up our review of the Lindo Pro Dual Camera Video Doorbell. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.